Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to add a payment method on GameStop in 2025. Whether you're a hardcore gamer stocking up on the latest titles or just grabbing some deals, adding a payment method is a breeze. By the end of this video, you'll have it set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your GameStop account. If you don't have one, head over to the GameStop website or app and create it quickly. It's free and takes less than a minute. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, look for the Payment Methods section. In 2025, GameStop has streamlined this with a new user-friendly interface, so it should be easy to spot. Click on it, and you'll see a list of your current payment options, if you have any, or a prompt to add one. Hit Add New Payment Method to get started. Now, choose your payment type. Options might include credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, or even digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Select the one that works for you. Enter the required details securely. Don't worry, GameStop uses top-notch encryption to keep your info safe. After that, double-check your entries for accuracy. You'll probably need to verify it with a code sent to your email or phone. Once everything looks good, hit Save or Confirm. And just like that, your payment method is added. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your payment details are up to date and that you're using a supported card. GameStop's Help Center is super helpful if you need more assistance. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to add a payment method on GameStop in 2025. Now you can shop for games, consoles, and merch without any hassle. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.